In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image on Google Docs. Flipping an image is a quick way to mirror artwork, reverse a diagram, or correct a photo that's facing the wrong way. Google Docs doesn't flip images directly on the page, but it takes just a moment using the built-in drawing tool. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it right the first time. Start by selecting the image in your document. Copy it if you want to keep the original in place, or cut it if you're replacing it with the flipped version. Copying is great when you want both versions for comparison. Cutting keeps your document tidy. Now open the drawing tool. At the top of your document, click Insert, then choose Drawing and select Plus New. This opens a clean drawing canvas where you can work with your image without affecting the rest of your document. Think of this as a little workspace dedicated to your picture. Inside the drawing window, paste your image if you copied or cut it earlier. If you didn't copy it ahead of time, you can add it here by using the Image button in the toolbar and choosing where to pull the file from. Either way, make sure the image appears on the canvas and is selected. Next, flip the image. Click the Actions menu in the top left of the drawing window, hover over Rotate, and choose either Flip Horizontally or Flip Vertically. Flip horizontally mirrors the image from left to right, which is perfect for reversing arrows, faces, or text in graphics. Flip vertically turns it upside down, mirroring it from top to bottom. If you choose the wrong one, don't worry. Use Undo or simply pick the other flip option. When it looks the way you want, click Save and Close. The flipped image will drop right back into your document exactly where your cursor was. From here, you can resize it, move it around, or adjust text wrapping just like any other picture. If you want to compare before and after, remember that copying at the beginning lets you keep both versions side by side. A quick tip: flipping an image mirrors everything, including any text inside the image itself, so it may become unreadable. That's expected and can be useful for design, but double-check your final layout to make sure it communicates what you intend. And if you change your mind later, you can always reopen the drawing by repeating the process and flip it back. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and precise. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Google Docs.